Okay. Come this way, Grandpa. Come on, kick him. Hang on to Tipper.
I love pie.
Who's going to slide off his butt?
I love pie.
Start sliding back.
Hang on to the reins, Emma.
I love pie.
Just one at a time.
I love pie.
Come on.
Just like going off a slide.
I love
Come
pie.
on.
Come on. Grandpa will get you.
I love pie.
Keep coming.
Maybe.
I love pie.
Woohoo.
I love pie.
Okay, Emma.
Your turn, Emma.
Hey, Grandma, I love pie.
Scoochy, scoochy. Come on.
Keep pushing. Keep
Come
going.
on.
Keep
Go.
Keep going, Emma.
She don't need to be caught.
She don't need to be
Let her go.
I love pie.
Okay, get on Tipper, Emma.
Do you like pie? Well, I love pie. Why don't
This
you wait
way.
to be pie?
One hand. Give me your boot.
Oh. Be careful with that bit you got on him, Jordan.
Pretty severe. Don't pull real hard on him.
Get over there, Isabelle.
Go. Get your foot up. Get your foot up. That girl. You went on behind her?
No, not right now. Let Emma ride for a little bit.
Can I get off his butt now?
Just wait.
One hand here, right by the yellow. This hand over here by the yellow. Turn your hand like this.
Grandma, look at me. Look at me.
Alright, now when you go that way, you got to pull on this hand.
And squeeze.
Grandma. Can I go on, Grandma? Grandma, look at me.
Squeeze. Squeeze, Emma. Kick.
Get up.
Oh.
Don't pull hard on that thing.
Can Devin go on, or can, look at me. Can Michaela go on this one? Kayla wanted to go on. Kayla, do you want to go on back? Look at me.
I can't video everybody.
Just look at me. I need to show you something.
Guide him towards the fence. Stay on the rail.
Out towards the fence, Emma.
Okay, put your hands down a little bit, Emma.
A little bit lower.
I love pie.
A little lower. There you go.
I love pie.
Shh. You can relax your arms a little bit, Emma.
Look at Devin.
Okay, come this way. Don't run over the dog. Are you sliding off? Come on, get away from there, Tipper.